In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Shopify with the Shopify Partner Program without selling products, so stay tuned. Before we get started, smack the crap out of that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's get started. So here I am at shopify.com/partners, as you can see in the address bar. I'll drop the link down in my description so you can access it easier. And the Shopify Partner Program is a program where you as an affiliate marketer can market different products from Shopify, like their different subscription plans and different things that they have available, and then you can earn a portion of that commission. In order to be a partner with Shopify, you have to have an account with them. So you have to enter your email address as it asks and then create an account. Once you have an account, you can log into the dashboard. So this is a new account that I have. So if you want to apply to the program, you have to click the Apply Today button. And as you can see, you have to meet these requirements. You have to create original content like online courses, seminars, blog posts, and videos. So any type of content around Shopify products. So you can create content like how to create a store or how to create an affiliate marketplace with your Shopify store. And you want to use keyword research to drive that content. If you want to learn how to do amazing keyword research so you can rank your content #1 on Google, then click the link in the card above and then you can go right to that video. It's an amazing video that will help you create amazing content. So if I want to apply, I'm going to click Apply Today. And then what you need to do is you need to put what your promotional channels are. Your promotional channels are like your YouTube channel, your LinkedIn page, your blog, anything that you are promoting content around Shopify on. So for me, I might put my blog and then enter the URL for my blog. And then I can put all the different types of things that are on my blog, probably blog posts, maybe videos because I link to my YouTube videos. And then I could select that I use SEO and paid traffic as well as email to drive my traffic. You could put links to your sample content. And this is really important. You want to put something that you've already done to promote Shopify, because if you don't have anything there, they're going to think, oh, well, this person isn't really going to promote us very well. And there's a ton of applications, so you got to stand out. You can put your different profiles that you link to, put your audience, their language, and where they're from, and then you can put your experience. This is also really important. You want to say what your strategy is. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to say, I'm going to create content, use SEO and paid traffic to drive people to my content that are interested in starting a Shopify store and getting into e-commerce. Then you can say like what the target demographics and stuff like that is. You don't need to get too specific and write a book, but you definitely want to know what your strategy is so when you try to promote their products, you don't just promote the wrong audience, the wrong content, those types of things, so you're not getting the right customers for them. You can look through their terms and conditions and make sure you're not making claims. That's also very important with affiliate marketing. You don't want to say, you're going to make $1 million. You can't say that. You got to say, learn how people are using Shopify to create a sustainable income with an e-commerce store. Something like that. You can look at the ads that are already out there and the content that's already out there that is converting at a high rate, especially that's high in the search results or comes up in your YouTube, pre-roll ads a lot. And you can try to model them. Once you fill that all out, you'll apply, and then your application will be under review. And then once it gets approved, then you can start promoting with your affiliate links. They have an entire affiliate dashboard where they have tools and you can track your referrals. That won't be available until you complete your application. So if you want to learn more about what programs you can actually promote and how much money you're going to be making, which is really important, you want to go to help.shopify.com, then your language and where you're from, /affiliates and /about. So I just looked up what are the commissions for the Shopify affiliate program or Shopify Partner Program commissions. And then it's one of the top links in Google. So it tells you the different things you need to have when you're promoting. This is what your affiliate link will look like. So you'll have your unique handle. When somebody clicks, that's how they'll track that you promoted their product. And if you keep scrolling down a little bit more, you can see what your earnings are going to be. Affiliate referral commissions. If you're able to refer people successfully, then you can earn a commission recurring on their plan. So you can click Shopify Partner Earnings to learn more about that. And there's all different types of Shopify partners. So there's the regular partners, developers, affiliates, and Shopify Plus partners. So each one has a different commission structure for different products. Today I'm going to go through just Shopify Partners. If you want me to make a video on the other ones, then say yes in the comments below. So if I scroll down and look at Shopify Partners, here are the different plans that you can earn money from. So if you refer a person to Shopify Lite, Basic, Advanced, or Gold, all these different types of subscriptions, and you're going to earn a recurring commission. So it's either going to be 20% or 10% of the merchant's monthly subscription fee. And then there's different terms on that recurring commission. So for these plans, recurs monthly as long as the merchant remains a paying Shopify customer and you're an active partner, so you don't want to ruin your status there. You want to stay a partner. All Shopify Plus leads must be recorded by filling out the lead submission form. So for this, it's a little bit different. If you're a Plus partner, so you can earn 20% of the merchant's monthly subscription fee. Some of them are the same and they extend. And then you can do more with some of these different plans. This is for affiliate referrals. So if you refer affiliates and they get a store plan, then these are some of the different plans you could have. So if somebody makes a purchase on the Shopify App Store, you can get 80% of the total revenue from that one sale price of that app, as well as themes, 70%, 50%. So there's a lot of different ways you can earn through the Shopify Partner Program as a Shopify partner. You can read about the taxes and the different updated terms on that through the Partner Program Agreement. And if you're looking for what all the terms mean, here's a glossary because a lot of them are hard to understand at first. So it will tell you what an active Shopify partner means, what it means to have an affiliate referral, which means you refer somebody to use a product, and it looks at the fees and the upgrades. So Shopify is an amazing program. Tons of people use them to create e-commerce stores each and every day. It's one of the best ways to get your store up and running fast. If you want to use Shopify and you want to create your own store and you want to learn how to sell products on that store, then say I want a store in the comments below, because then I could make videos on how you can make a store and earn commissions from that. If you want to become a partner, I have a link down below. You can click that and learn more about it and apply. It's in my description at the top. Also, if you're interested in learning how to become a top affiliate marketer where you can earn even more, I'm talking $1,000 to $2,000 a month extra, even up to $5,000 and even $10,000 a month, promoting programs and having digital consulting gigs and other e-commerce gigs, then you should go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You can grab my free ultimate guide on how to start an online business, and I can direct you to the #1 training on the market that will help you become a top affiliate marketer in whatever niche that you decide to go into. In my ebook, you'll be able to learn how to promote different products, how to use SEO, PPC, and how to get your products in front of the right customers, as well as how to generate your first sale. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, grab my free ebook, and then I'll direct you to the #1 training where you can become a master at affiliate marketing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smack the crap out of that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new content that I'll be releasing. There's a video right after this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.